larger pieces are from Ross, and then, you know, the frames Dollar Tree. Everything's from the Dollar Tree. I have a video on how we did this, all from the Dollar Tree, and it says favorites. So yeah, if you guys want to check out how I did some of this wall art, then be sure to keep watching. All right, welcome back to my channel, everyone. As you can see, I'm just showing you everything that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Got some picture frames, some painting canvases, stickers, I mean a little bit of wall art, just a little bit of everything, but you can truly just buy whatever you find, whatever you like, grab it, let's get it. But I'm gonna start off with the picture frames. I wish that I had bought like a poster board or something hard to put underneath it, because now it seems like picture frames no longer come with like a white plain sheet. So yeah, just keep that in mind. If you don't have like printer paper or something white to be able to stick your stickers or the little decals to, you may want to grab something while you're there. One thing I do wish that I didn't use the little stickers that I added to this. I wish I would have just left it plain Jane, but that's a good thing if you have extra paper, because you can always start over. So those little decals, they have two, it's basically like a 2-pack, so that's great. But I do wish that I had more of these larger picture frames, but I think it turned out pretty cute. I'm going to go ahead and cut out favorite out of that, and that is what I'm actually going to be sticking on the old Dollar Tree flower mirror that I'm going to show here at the end. And beautiful, I just went ahead and started to stick it on a little canvas board. I mean, you could do really whatever you want. You could paint a picture, you could take glitters, do whatever you want, make it you, make it girly, make it cute. So I did decide to add some bling to the beautiful picture. The easiest way that I found to use this really is to don't even try to cut them perfectly to get them to stick. Really just stick it on there, and then you can pull it apart to make it even, I guess, if that makes sense. So again, don't even try to cut out the perfect amount that you think that you need for your letters. You're better off just taking the whole strip, sticking it on your letter, and pulling it. And that's how you can get it to be the perfect length. Just an FYI. This little stencil stamp thing, I don't even know what it is. It took me a second to figure out what it was, but I just went ahead and decided to use an old box that has like stones and like sage little logos on it. So that's what I'm going to use for my picture frame, and then I'm just going to pop a flower in the center, and again, that is for one of the smaller frames. So yeah. the fun part if you have a hammer, but since I don't, we're gonna use a screwdriver. But I highly recommend if you have like some hanging plants, something with a little bit of dimension, different shapes, textures. It's gonna be basically catching the eye. So I would just keep that in mind. So yeah, this is the final look. I loved how it turned out. It was super easy to do, super affordable. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.